What are you going to eat in the backyard?
Peas.
Peas?
Yeah.
What else? Raspberries?
Raspberries.
And where are we going to sit in the backyard? Under the gazebo?
And the people.
Gazebo?
People.
Why did you take such a big bite?
Mmm.
Is good? What is that? What are you eating?
Bubbles.
Strawberries?
Yeah.
Say strawberries.
Bubbles.
Take a little bite.
Oh, it's big.
I know, that's a big one, so you should take a little bite.
Yay. Wood. Yay. Bone. Yay. Eat that. One one. Leg bone.
Leg bone?
Yeah. Bubble boy.
The strawberry has a leg bone?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Can you look at me? Please?